Today I sat down to have lunch and I thought to myself, why is it that I can refreeze the water in my drink, but I can't turn my burger back into raw beef? The reason has to do with the difference between a physical change and a chemical change. Physical changes are changes that happen to a substance but don't alter the substance itself. Things like ice melting, sugar dissolving in tea, or water boiling don't make the water something other than water. Cooking food alters the chemicals that it's made out of. Meat actually contains sugar, so when it heats up it caramelizes and turns brown. This is actually the same reaction that makes caramel for candy bars. The other thing that distinguishes them is that a physical change is reversible and a chemical change is permanent. When peanut butter and chocolate are combined to form a peanut butter cup, you can still separate them. But when sugar is cooked into caramel, you can't turn it back into normal sugar. Now that you know this, keep an eye out. You might notice that there's chemistry around you every day. And that's the juice.